Good morning, students. I hope you all are well, staying safe at home. Good morning, students. Yesterday we were studying this poem RCR Street. Okay, I have explained you the chapter. Now, today we will do the exercises of this chapter. So, write down classwork. Put the date, that is 12/9/2020. Okay, let's start the exercises. Exercise number 1, that is match the columns. Okay, a baker. Who is a baker? Who bakes cake? So we will write 1 over here. A grocer who sells variety of foods. A butcher who sells meat. A cobbler who mends shoes. A fruiterer who sells fruit. Okay, let's see. A baker who bakes cakes means who makes cakes. A grocer who sells a variety of foods. A butcher who sells meat. A cobbler who mends shoes. A fruiterer who sells fruit. Okay, let's come to exercise number 2, that is fill in the blanks with correct words. Let's see. A, the person in the poem is, who is he? A boy, a lady, an old man? Who? See. The grocerist says, "Good morning, boy. What can I do for you?" He is a boy. So we will put a tick over here and write a boy. See, he lives in a dash street, quiet, dark, busy. Which street? Let's see. Let's check. In our street, the main street running through the town, you see a lot of busy folk going up and down. Busy, see. He used to live in a busy street. So we will put a tick over here and write busy over here. Now, in the C1, men carry things in their bags and basket to buy and sell or throw away. See, let's check. Bagmen and basketmen, men with loads of hay, buying things and selling things and cutting things away, means they buy and sell. To buy and sell, right? In the D1, carting away things means to, see, throw things away, buy things, or carry things away. So it is carry things away, right? Now let's do this exercise. Tick the words that help to describe the cobbler. Let's read about the cobbler. Of all the men in our street, I like the cobbler best. Tapping, tapping, tapping at his last, without a minute rest. Talking all the time he taps, driving in the nails, smiling with his old grey eyes. Hush! Telling fairy tales. Okay? He was a friendly cobbler because the boy used to hear fairy tales from him, and then he was sad. No, he was an old cobbler, right? Then he was rude? Not at all. He was cruel? No. He was a hard-working? Yes. So the cobbler was a friendly, old and hard-working person. So here we have done 3 exercises. This is your homework. Learn all the exercises, all these 3 exercises. Okay, class? That's all for today. Have a good day, class. Thank you.